and welcome to Bella's Credit Corner. My name is Bella. Here on my YouTube channel, we focus on credit, finances, and money management. Now, in today's video, I will give you a review of the top 3 cashback credit cards currently on the market. Now, if you are not interested in a credit card, I do have a bonus option for you to consider, so stick around to the end of this video. Now, normally I do prefer giving reviews about cards that help you earn travel points and rewards, but because of COVID-19, no one is traveling right now, and people are more so shifting their focus on cards that help them earn cash back. Now, before I jump into this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know my future videos are posted on YouTube. Now, the first credit card we will talk about in today's video is the Discover Cashback credit card. Now, this card is great because it does not have an annual fee, and you do have the ability to earn 5% cash back on certain categories each quarter, up to $75. Now, if you look at the screenshot here, this is the cashback calendar for 2020. And as you can see, we have categories such as grocery stores, gas stations, restaurants, Amazon. So you will have to go into your account each quarter to activate the ability to earn the 5% cash back. Now, anything that falls outside of these categories each quarter, you will only earn 1% cash back. Now, while there is not an actual sign-on bonus with this card, at the end of your first year of having this account, Discover will match all of the cash back that you earned in that first year. So, for example, if you earned $500 in cash back, Discover will give you an additional $500 at the end of the first year of you having this card. Now, the great thing with the cash back that you earn on this card, there are a number of ways that you can actually utilize this cash back. So you can actually take this cash back and use it to pay down your credit card balance. You can transfer the funds to your checking or savings account. Now, if you link this card to your Amazon account, you can use your cash back towards any purchases you want to make on Amazon, but you will have to use your actual Discover card to make the final purchase if there is a balance. You can also use this money to donate it to charity. There are a number of charities that Discover has on their portal. And last but not least, you can actually use this cash back to purchase a discounted gift card. Now, as you can see in this screenshot here, here's an example of where you can purchase a $25 gift card for $20. So as you can see, there are a number of ways you can actually use the cash back that you earn on this Discover Cashback credit card. And last but not least, you do have the benefit of 0% APR for the first 14 months on any purchases made on this card or balance transfers. Now, for any balance transfer, they will charge you a one-time 3% transaction fee. But if you do have any credit cards with a high interest rate, you can consider transferring that balance from the high interest credit card to the 0% APR credit card so you can pay down the balance faster. Now, the next credit card I do want to talk about is the Bank of America Cash Rewards credit card. Now, this card is also great because it also does not have an annual fee, and the current sign-on bonus is a $200 cash bonus if you spend $1,000 on this card in the first 90 days of your card being approved. Now, keep in mind the 90-day countdown to earn the bonus starts the day your account is approved, not when you get the card in the mail. Now, this is important because sometimes it can take anywhere from 7 to 10 business days to get that card in the mail. So you want to make sure you keep in mind the exact date you need to earn the sign-on bonus by. Because I would hate to see you get this card and then miss the cutoff to earn that $200 cash bonus. So this credit card is actually a 3-2-1 cashback credit card, meaning you can earn 3%, 2%, and 1% on different categories. Now, in regards to the 3% cash back, you actually get to decide which categories you will earn 3% on. So you have different options such as dining, travel, home improvement, etc. And you can change the categories once a month for the upcoming month, which is definitely a great feature. So with this card, you can earn 2% cash back when you use it at grocery stores and wholesale clubs. Now, in regards to earning 3% and 2% cash back, you will only earn those rates on the first $2,500 you spend on this card in those categories. If you do spend more than that, you will only earn 1% cash back. Now, in regards to any other categories that we did not talk about, you will also earn 1% cash back. Now, in regards to the cash back that you earn on this card, it can be redeemed for any amount at any time, and you can redeem it in a number of ways. So you can use this cash back to pay down your credit card balance. You can transfer the cash back to a Bank of America checking or savings account. And you can also transfer your cash back to a 529 college savings account that is with Merrill Lynch. Now, the third cashback credit card we will talk about today is the Freedom Unlimited through JP Morgan Chase. Now, this card also does not have an annual fee, and it earns a standard cashback rate of 1.5% on all purchases. So it's very simple, very straightforward, which is why a lot of people do like this card. So the sign-on bonus for this card is a $200 cash bonus if you spend $500 on this card in the first 3 months of when the account is approved. So this is definitely a great sign-on bonus because the spending requirement isn't very high at all. Now, you do have a number of ways to redeem the cash back. You can have those funds deposited into your checking or savings account, or you can use it to purchase discounted gift cards. And again, you can redeem this cash at any time for any amount, which is definitely great because who wants a complicated system to redeem the cash back that you worked so hard for? Now, the great thing about the Freedom Unlimited is that it does come with additional perks and benefits, such as purchase protection and extended warranty. Now, if you want to learn more about the perks and benefits and features of this card, I will put a link to a video that I did previously here and in the description box. So before applying for a credit card, you want to make sure your credit scores and credit reports are in order. So ideally, your score should really be at a minimum in the 650 to 680 range, maybe even higher now because of COVID, because now the banks are getting very strict with lending or extending credit to consumers. You don't want to have any accounts with late payments, and ideally, you don't want to have any accounts that have high utilization. So you should consider looking at your credit reports before applying for any credit. Now, you do have the option to go to the lender's website to see if you are pre-qualified for any offers. Now, if you do end up having a pre-qualified offer, there's a strong chance that you may be approved for a card once you apply, but it is not guaranteed. Now, for those of you who are not interested in a credit card at all, you do have another option you can consider to earn cash back, and that is with the Discover Cashback Debit Card. Now, this is actually a checking account through Discover where you can earn 1% cash back when you swipe your debit card. Now, if you want to learn more about this product, I will put a link to a video that I did previously here and in the description box below. Now, if you have a favorite cashback credit card, make sure to drop that in the comment section below. I would love to hear about what products you guys are out there using. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. And please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, guys, talk to you soon.